Hi guys, in this video I'll be unboxing my brand new iPhone 13 mini. So let's get started. This model comes with a HDR OLED display, True Tone, Wide Color P3, Haptic Touch, 2:1 contrast ratio, 800 nits of max brightness. It also has a fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating. This is my first OLED display iPhone since the iPhone 10 in 2017. The one thing we won't see in newer models are the power bricks. 2 years ago, Apple began an initiative to remove most plastics from their packaging in order to become more carbon neutral. Money raised from red products is donated to the Global Fund, a partnership between the public and private sectors to end AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria. Apple donates a small amount of that money to the Global Fund. Now it's time to set up the iPhone. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.